today we are going to discuss about the calculation of mean by different methods. Mean actually means average, okay? Like if you want to calculate the average marks of your subjects, suppose in 10 subjects you got, what do? You add up all the subjects 10 marks, okay, and then divide it by 10, okay? So this is the simple average. But now we are going to discuss about the calculation of mean. The calculation of mean, there are different methods. First is the direct method, okay? In this we apply the formula mean equals to sigma fx. Sigma means the sum total, okay? Sigma fx by sigma f, okay? The second method is the calculation of the mean by shortcut method, okay? In shortcut method we calculate using the formula mean equals to a plus sigma fd by sigma f, okay? Here a is the assumed mean, okay, and fd, here f is the frequency, d is the difference of mid mark and the assumed mean, okay? The third is the calculation of mean by step deviation method. Okay, whatever is the method you adopt, the result is not going to change. Okay, the result is going to be the same. Now for this we have the expression mean equals to a plus sigma fu by sigma f into I, okay? Here I is the class size, U is the ratio of x minus a divided by I, okay? Here a is the assumed mean, which is same for shortcut and step deviation here also, okay? And f means the frequency, okay? I is the class size, okay, which is the difference of upper limit minus lower limit, okay? So this is the class size, and u here means it is the ratio of x minus a divided by I, okay? And here x is the mid mark, okay, or better you call it as class mark, which is equal to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, okay? Now let us take an example. This is class interval CI, okay, and suppose we have taken the marks of a particular subject scored out of 50, and the range is from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, these are the marks, okay? 30 to 40, 40 to 50, okay? Now, the number of students who scored in this range of marks, this is the number of students, okay? We represent it as f, f for frequency, okay? Now, here, this is the f, okay? Now, for this, the number of students scored is 5, then this is 8, this is 12, this is 10, this is 5, okay? So this is the frequency, the students who scored in this range of marks. Now let's calculate the mid mark. Mid mark means the class mark, lower plus upper divided by 2. So for this it will be 5, then we have 15, then 25, 35, 45, okay? Well, this is possible if the class intervals are continuous, right? After that, you have to find out fx, the product of f and x, right? So keep multiplying these two. It's 25, then we have 120, then we have 300, this is 350, this is 225. Okay, if you add up all this, we get the summation of fx. Sum means this is sigma. Sum of all the fx is sigma fx. So the value comes to 1020. Okay, then we have the sigma f, that is the number of students. Clear? So for this we have the total, that is 13 plus this 25 plus this, that is 40. Okay, now applying the formula mean equals to, this is by direct method. Okay, as we have discussed the first method. Clear? So mean equals to sigma fx by sigma f, and the value comes to 1020 divided by 40. So this comes to 25.5. Okay, so 25.5 marks is the mean for this. That means the mean mark for the whole class comprising of 40 students is 25.5. Now let us do by shortcut method. Okay, in case of shortcut method, what we are supposed to do is that we are going to remove this for third column after this first, second, third. Okay, and the total will remain the same, the mid mark will remain the same. Of course, for all the three methods, the mid mark and the frequency have to be there. Now what you have to do, here we have the formula assume mean A plus sigma fd by sigma f, right? So in this condition, what we are going to do, we have to assume the mean in this terms. Because there are 5 terms, the middle term is taken as assume mean A. Okay, supposing if there are 6 terms, okay, let us take one more term. Okay, then in that case, compare the third and fourth term, which is having higher frequency, you select that as the assume mean. Okay, now we are applying the formula D. D is the difference of x and assume mean. Okay, so this is 5 minus 25, that is minus 20, then 15 minus 25, that is minus 10, 25 minus 25, that is 0, 35 minus 25, that is 10, and 45 minus 25, that is 20. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to get FD, the product of F and D. So here we have F into D, the fifth column for the whole question. Okay, this comes to minus 100, this comes to minus 80, then we have 0, then 35 into 10, this is, 10 into 10, this is 100, then this 5 into 20, this is 200. Okay, so we have got the product of F and D. Okay, now add up this all. Since there are some negatives, minus 180, okay, and positive, that is 200. So this sigma FD comes, the algebraic difference, that is 20. 200 minus 180. Okay, now the mean by step deviation method, the shortcut method, this one, applying this formula, we have mean equals to A plus sigma fd by sigma f. Okay, so assumed mean is 25, sigma fd is 20, and sigma f, that is 40, the same number. So this comes to 0.5. So we have 25 plus 0.5, that is 25.5. Okay, so whatever would be the method, the result is going to be the same. We got the same result by direct method, and by shortcut method applying this formula, we are getting the same 25.5. Okay, now the third and the last method is step deviation method. Okay, we are going to remove the third and the fourth column. Okay, these two columns have to be removed. Now we are coming to the third and the last method, calculation of mean by step deviation method. Okay, see, after having these three columns, class interval, frequency, mid mark. Okay, we are now going to move to find the value of u. U means x minus the assumed mean divided by I. You know what is I? It is a class size, the difference of upper limit, lower limit. Okay, so we have 5 minus 25, that is the assumed mean A, divided by 10, that comes to minus 2. Okay. Then here we have 15 minus 25 by 10, that comes to minus 1. 25 minus 25 divided by 10, that comes to 0. 35 minus 25 by 10, that comes to 1. Then we have 45 minus 25 by 10, that comes to 2. Okay. Now you have to find the product of f and u. F is this one, u is this one. So it's minus 10, minus 8, 0, 10 and again 10. See, this is the product f into u. Now the algebraic sum comes to sigma fu, and that is, here we have minus 18, here we have plus 20, so it is plus 2, right? Now applying this formula, the mean by step deviation method, the third one is a plus sigma fu by sigma f into I. Okay, this is 25, assume mean the same what we have done for shortcut method, plus sigma fu, you got 2 divided by 40 into 10. Okay, these two get cancelled, so 2 by 4, that is 0.5, added to 25, that brings the result 25.5 marks. Okay, I hope all the three methods are clear to you. Okay, so you can try the questions. Thanks for watching. Okay.